Alright, so this is customer brought this in. This is a Lenovo Legion Pro 16IR X8. They brought it in. You can see it's missing something. And they brought it in because they tried doing this themselves, failed miserably, and instead of just keeping the bad fans, they just threw them out. So now they have no fans. So if I'm not able to get these fans replaced, they have no computer. Granted, that would not be my fault, because I'm not the one who threw out their fans. But here we are. So we get to figure out where all of this stuff goes. So that's going to be that guy. That's going to be that guy. So let's take this thing apart all the way and go and get working on this. So that lines up there. That lines up there. Okay. So I think this is the problem that they were having as well. This doesn't feel like it sits down here correctly. And that's probably why, because you gotta force that guy in there. Same thing on this side. Man, I really wish they wouldn't have gotten rid of their old fans. It's a magnetic sheet. I think it is. Looks like we're going to be making modifications to fans again today. Great. Let's get all these screws in here we can. And that screw is gone for... Alright. The problem is these aren't regular like laptop screws. These are for the fan. So they're like a quarter of the size of normal laptop screws. Let's see how close everything is actually going to line up here. So that'll be fine. Just need to figure out what we're hitting over here. So that lines up, that lines up. Really wish I knew where this went. It's just not going anywhere. Is it 12? Jeez. Not quite. But close. Yeah, like I said, they threw out the factory fans, so I can't look at them and get part numbers off of them. So I'm having to do whatever it takes. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. It's not looking good, because that is supposed to be like that. It's just these little arm things over here are just, they're manufactured in the incorrect place. It's like almost if like this would be correct, except for that this is the wrong. So like this, that lines up correctly. So it's almost as if whoever did the manufacturing on this got the blueprints and just did part of it upside down. I don't have the fans. That's what I'm saying. They threw the fans out. So I'm just gonna modify. Yeah, I didn't say that, but you know, thinking it. So I'm having to modify this in such a way that all this stuff will fit. Yeah, I agree. And then I'll use some like double-sided adhesive to get it into place, because that's lined up. But see, this screw hole here is missing. And right now there is a point underneath the fan that's making contact somehow. And it's this. So let's figure out what I have to modify, because I don't want to... My other concern is they put a bend in this. I commented on that when they brought it in, and they're like, oh, I don't remember doing that. And I'm like, well, You're literally presenting this to me for the first time today, and there's a bend in it. All right, so let's figure out what's actually making contact here, because I think it's that. So that lines up, that lines up. Yeah, a little bit. Just trying to figure out how much I actually need to remove of this. That's sitting on the... Okay, yeah, this thing's got to go. Hate to modify your laptop, but you guys made a choice. Now you have to live with that choice. And it's funny, where this screw hole is supposed to be is just... There's just nothing there. But that shouldn't hopefully be an issue. Yeah, it won't be. But I know this fan is supposed to be like sitting lower. Yeah, that guy is not, that's not going to go anywhere. I think that'll be fine. Because all we care about is cooling this thing. So. Slide, and we'll make whatever minor modifications we need to. Again, they're also missing screws. Cool. Yeah, I think that thing's got to come all the way off. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it should be good. Alright, let's do the other one. Figure out what we need to remove over there. I feel like it's going to be the exact same situation. That little corner piece. Well, this is going to be fun. Even more things don't line up over here. Well, we got to do the same thing over here. No, they are definitely not the same fans, because I don't know what the original fans are, because they threw them out. But if you look up these fans on the, like this computer on the internet, this is the only option that's available for the fans. I spent a bunch of time. Yeah, the connectors are the same. Spent a bunch of time looking. Yeah, no, it's not a minor bend. I made the recommendation of replacing all of this, and they said, we'll chance it. All right, that's your call. I'm almost tempted to just remove these things entirely, seeing as they're not going to do anything. Which I will do right now. I take it back. They were doing something. They were getting in the way. Oh, it feels... Look at that. That feels so much better. It's not perfect because it's bent, but it's much, much better. I gotta do one more thing carefully here. You bought Diablo 3, Emily? Okay. That's down there. Let's figure out where the rest of this stuff goes. Pretty sure this goes here. Oh, look at that. That goes under that screw too. Well, that's gonna be awkward. Just noticed something. I'm gonna take this thing apart. Yeah, there's not a thermal pad there. So I am perplexed at the moment. Well, I gotta see if I have thermal pads that'll stack up that thick. I barely keep them in stock. Yeah, there's just not a thermal pad there. There was. And did they put thermal? Okay. This is weird. This looks like a liquid metal solution, and then there's something on top of that. You know, I'm not gonna be shocked if this thing just doesn't work. Like this computer, based on what we've seen so far. There, new thermal pad on there. Where else are we missing thermal pads? All of these are missing thermal compound? So these had thermal compound on them. Pads, what's this? That's the material that sits in here. Were they trying to upgrade this? What the hell? So confused what's going on here. Yeah, I hope that is enough for whatever it is. All right, we got a pad under there now. This pretty sure goes here. Yeah, I don't know about stress testing, but I will power test it. We'll put up a little bit of a load because they didn't really give me any like information as far as that's concerned. Did they even give me the power cord? I don't even think they gave me the freaking power cord. People, man, this bend is real bad. We got fan spin. Hey, at least this thing looks like it's in great shape, said no one ever. Right. Let's get all these guys tightened down. That thing ain't moving. I mean, it is moving, but it's not moving because of anything I did. Yeah, you called this, Rain Man. You 100% called this. This whole corner is just effed. It's the corner that's bent. Yeah. Just trying to figure out what's actually making contact over here that's preventing this. Yeah, the other side looks fine. Yeah, that's a little better. Yeah, this whole thing is just... I wonder if this is where they tried to open it on their own and the thing just started breaking. I'm not sure where these ones actually go. Because these are warranty void if removed screws. So they have to go inside somewhere. Come on, put it back together too good. So where could this possibly go? That this would have a warranty void if removed sticker sitting on the top of it. I see. There's a now unused hinge screw. 200 for what? Dealing with things that they did, trying to repair them. And when they pick it up, I'll make the recommendation, hey, don't ever take this apart again, because y'all are, you know what, let me rephrase this. I respect the initiative. How did I learn to repair computers? The same way everyone learns to walk, by breaking a bunch of stuff and having to fix it. And then I just realized that I enjoyed putting things back together better than they were when I got them. And it just became my business. I think my mechanism on my LTT screwdriver is starting to fail. Yeah, I've been having it lock up. Literally, I see it just locked up. Yeah, this thing is actually disgusting as well. Yeah, and like whatever happened in this corner, it does not want to stay together. So, I guess let's also clean up the absolute filth that is that. Because that's disgusting. Amazon? Not Amazon, eBay. Cap. Well, this isn't a good sign for him. Not booting. Updates. Here it goes. Alright. Let's clean this disgusting thing. Someone ban it. Thank you. I don't either. This thing is like legitimately like filthy though. Like, and it's like really hard to see, but like even like under the keys is just filthy. I ain't cleaning that. You're getting surface level clean and that's it, buddy. Because that's disgusting. You need to check your life choices in your decision to, I don't know, eat on your keyboard. Oh, you know they do. They just ignore it. You gotta be careful here. Right, there's that. Nice and cleaned. There you go. How hard is that? This thing needs to go and get washed now. And I need another towel. Yeah, compressed air. Like little canned air things. Just don't go ham with it. This is Chris over at the computer shop calling to let you know your computer's ready to be picked up. Thank you. Have a good day. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.